welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with an amazing poem from your storybook, that is The Blind Boy. With eyes that don't see, but a heart that feels. In the world of darkness, there is always a different light that shines although. So let's dive with the journey of a blind boy and the lesson he teaches. So, very quickly, let's begin with the poem. So, let's read the poem very first. Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. So, here a poor boy is asking that what is light? What is the thing that is called light that will I never enjoy because I am blind? And what are the blessings of sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. So he is asking that I am a blind boy. So please have pity on me and do tell me that what are the blessings of the sight? What are the advantages with the persons that have sight, that are able to see, as compared to me that I am not able to see? Right? Moving ahead. You talk of wondrous things you see. You say the sun shines bright. Now, the boy is saying that you tell me a wondrous things you see. You are telling me about the things that are wondrous and you are able to see them. People say that the sun shines bright. Usually, when the sun is brighter on a normal day, we usually say that the sun is brighter today, right? We say it because we can see the sun shining brightly. But can a blind person see that sun shining brightly? Then how is he going to feel that how is the sun shining that day? So I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Now the boy is saying that I only feel that whether the sun is warm or the sun is cold, right? So he can only identify the day as brighter by feeling the warmthness of the sun, right? And he is saying that if the sun is warm, then how can it make day and night? Because the day and nights are only possible with the help of the sun, with the light of the sun. But only the persons who have a normal sight, they can see it or they can feel it, right? The persons who are blind are not able to see and they are actually not aware that what is night and what is day. Correct? Moving ahead. My day or night, myself I make. Whenever I sleep or play, and could I ever keep awake with me, where always day, right? So now the blind boy is saying that I make my day and my nights myself. So according to me, the time when I play is the day for me, and when I feel sleepy and I go to sleep is the night for me, right? But whatever you see, whatever you say, I make my world in my own way, right? Now let's move ahead. So, with heavy sighs, I often hear, you warn me, hopeless woe. But sure, with patience, I can bear a loss I never can know. Now he's saying that sometimes you people means the people who are actually having a good sight, they are able to see, they can feel the world in a different way. But a blind person feels the world is samely in a different way, right? So here the boy is saying that sometimes I hear that you all mourn. Mourn means the cry of sympathy, or the feel of sympathy that a normal person gave to a blind person. It is actually obvious for us if we see a person who is physically disabled or who is facing some kind of problem, we try to help that person, right? But the blind person or the person who is physically disabled and is sitting in front of you is not expecting any kind of sympathy from you. They do not like that sympathy, actually, right? So, the boy is in the same way saying that I hear you mourning and giving me sympathy, some kind of sympathy. But let me tell you, I am a patient guy and I can do my things myself and I am not required of your sympathy at that time, right? Moving ahead, then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mine destroy, whilst thus I sing I am a king, although a poor blind boy. So now the boy is saying, then do not let me know the things that I cannot do. Why are you telling me the things I cannot perform? Better to keep them away from me, right? And my cheer of mine destroy. You telling me those things, you destroy my mind. You are destroying the peace of my mind, right? He's saying that whilst thus I sing, I am a king. I am the king of my own world. I do whatever I like. Although a poor blind boy, although I am a poor blind boy, but I am happy in my own world and I feel like a king in my own world, right? So here we have some questions. Let's just read the questions and see that you are able to find the questions or not. So, what does the blind boy bear with patience? So, can you all answer this? Yes, absolutely correct. Actually, the blind boy is bearing something that is actually beyond his patience, right? The boy feels that everyone is giving that sympathy to me and everyone is paying a special attention to me. Everyone is willing to help me. So, that is the thing that the boy is bearing with patience, right? Why does the blind boy thinks that he is a king? So can you answer this? That why does he feels that he is like a king? Yes, the actual reason that he feels like a king is that he is having a different kind of world, right? The people who can see and the people who cannot see both have their worlds of different kind, right? So because the person who cannot see has his own world. That is why he feels like a king of his own world because he can do whatever he wants over there, right? Next question is, whom do you think the blind boy is speaking to? Can you think that whom is the blind boy speaking to? Absolutely correct. Actually, the blind boy is speaking to the person who is having a really good sight and the person who are willing to help him, willing to give him a sympathy or any kind of thing like that, right? So that was the poem. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, in the end, I would only like to tell you it is not what we see, but how we feel and experience the world that truly matters. So, if you were also moved by the poem, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more inspiring poems, thought provoking stories, and the story of resilience. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.